In this video, I will show you how to customize Arc Browser. So with Arc Browser, there are quite a few things that you can customize. First is the tabs that you have right here. For example, I never really use Wikipedia, so I'll just remove that one. But you can also create a new tab and then just enter a URL or whatever you're searching for. What you can also do is click plus right here, and you can add a new space, a new folder, a new easel, or a new tab. Now, for example, with the easel, you can then type something right here. You can also choose to add in an image or some kind of a shape, and you can even draw right here whatever you want. And then you will have now created that. Now I'll just remove this, but that is something else you can customize. And if you go to, for example, space 1 right here and click on the three dots, from here you can change your space icon. So you can select an emoji or an icon. Then you can also rename your space and edit the theme color. So right here you can just edit the color of your theme and make it light or dark. And you can also add multiple colors right here and then just kind of move this around to create a gradient. So you can also do that if you want. Now right here there are a few more things you can do. So you can set a profile, you can create a new folder, you can create a live folder with GitHub, you can share and manage and delete the space. And you can really easily just switch in between different easels and tabs and stuff like that. So you can see this one right here, and then you can just go and draw something or whatever you'd like to do. You can also invite someone on here to work with you, so someone that can view or edit. So that's basically how you can customize Arc Browser. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.